Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable rail assembly in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a couple of flathead screwdrivers and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vegetable rail assembly. This vegetable rail assembly is located inside the refrigerator compartment on the left. It supports the left side vegetable drawer, allowing it to slide in and out. The main reason to replace the vegetable rail assembly is if it's broken and makes it impossible to move the vegetable drawer. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. So we need to pull out both drawers. So we have two clips here, symmetrical, one on each side, and we need to push in at the same time to release the shelf. I'm going to use a couple of flathead screwdrivers. If you got strong fingers, you can do it without the screwdrivers. I'm going to press it in and lift it up. So I can lift it up and pull it out. Alright, so then we can remove its shelf. Be careful, don't break the glass. To remove this vegetable rail assembly, we need to remove these two Phillips screws. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to take them out one by one. So now I'm going to pull it from the wall and pull it forward to disengage that tab at the back. All right. That's your old part. And that needs cleaning. This is the old vegetable rail assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, we're going to install a new vegetable rail assembly. This tab at the back goes into the cutout. So we're going to insert it, push it in, and we're going to match the holes and secure it to the wall with a couple of Phillips screws. Alright, now I'm going to put a shelf on. Alright, I'm going to place the shelf in carefully, don't break the glass. Then we're going to slide the back portion into these cutouts on the rails, push it in, and then the front push down so those two tabs will lock. Alright, now we can install the vegetable drawers back in. Slide it in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.